welcome to 7 Dimensions Machine That Trades segment. What we have here is Tessa and Thea's trading results for April 14th, 2026. When Tessa was executed this morning, it found 10 stocks to trade, rejected 5, and approved 5, and immediately within 30 seconds executed on those 5 trades. Thea, which is our low-risk trading machine, identified 2 trades this morning, Uber and AMD. Now, let's take a look at the charts. What we have here is AAOI. This is one stock that it identified this morning. We had a quite the move down earlier on in the day, almost bought at the lows of the day and then sold in the late morning rip for a 3.5% gain on a $50,000 position, is roughly $1,700, as you can see in our blotter here on the lower right. The next trade is TSEM. Same setup in the morning, very fast liquidation or move to the downside. So it captured the low of this morning's trading session and then sold for another 3.5% gain on a $50,000 position, again, roughly $1,750. Uber and AMD are 2 other stocks that we traded today. Uber triggered later in the day and was stopped out as per our risk management protocol that is built in the system. AMD, again, we had a higher gap up and then we kept ripping throughout the afternoon. And here we were able to capture a 1.5% gain using the machines that trade. We have DOCN. This one failed to rally in the late afternoon, as you could see. And so as part of our risk mitigation strategy, we exited the position for a minor loss. SNDK is, I think, still open. Yes, this position is still open based on the principle of let your winners run. So we are in profit on this trade, so we will leave it open until end of day. And finally, we have WFC. This also was triggered, this morning. However, it failed to make higher highs. Maybe now is going to, break that resistance at about 82.75 and go higher. We don't know, but we are out of this trade as per our risk mitigation protocols. So today we had 5 winning trades, 2 losing trades for roughly about $7,000 of profit. So that is our trading recap with 7 Dimensions Machine That Trade segment. And to close this off, a little risk disclosure. Trading involves significant risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results for accredited investors only. Thank you for watching. See you in the next segment.